That's this one. How? See this BT01? I haven't seen that when you give me a database. So I'm not sure you have the most recent ballot builder. This is what you do get. You when you this we've had for a while anyway, and that is the model for the multiple ballot types here. So anyway, I'll shut that off. We'll look at that later. Get rid of it. And now and then the other thing you want to see too is you want to see the images directory for this right here. See this type of one? I'm going to delete that. And we'll leave the mystery text. All right. So I'm going to start asking for DBF. We're not going to use that. So hit cancel, hit F1, and it says can't find the one I just erased. Type 01. So now that means that, what do I do? Okay, well, here's what you do. If you had the BTO1, you wouldn't even have to leave here. You could just get it. But let's go back to the BT. Let's go back to ballot builder. I guess we're never there. All right. I guess we're never there. And here it is, ballot builder. Everything's all set up. You've got it very, very nicely done. By the way, the resequence works. You can see, I'll show you how it didn't destroy anything. Look at this. He's number 1. It's number 303, etc. It respects this responses columns area. So let's build the ballot. And boom, right there is where the Anno BT crit's created. And we'll skip this dude. Shut her off. Shut this off.
Goodbye.
Let's go take a look at that table. And now we've got this table, and this is what it looks like. So let me enlighten you. Tag num 0, forget about it. It's just the header. In fact, here, these 6, the 0, 0, 0, and these 3 numbers basically set up the initial zoom, shall we say, or the container for everything else. That's what 0 is. Let's look at it as a container. So here comes the first object. 6 is, I forgot, it's like 6 and 7 is going to be alternating. So number 1 has a 6, and there are the 6 points for it. And number 1 also has a 7, and there are the 3 points for that. Somewhere up here we can see a 7. Yeah, there's a 7. So object type 7. One's a hotspot, one's a annotation color, which is what thing you color. And we know we have 7 annotations, and that's what you're going to see all the way down. So you can actually come in here and actually change the data. Okay, so that's kind of like the repository. Close that now. Let's try that again. Okay. Boing. Don't need the DBF. Hit F1. Again, we don't have it, but this time we know it's in the database, so we can go up here to the options, go to tab 7, and here's this button, make annotation files from the MDB. Boom, I hit that, it's all done. Save and quit. Let's hit F1 again, and bang, there they are. So, and I'm going to hit Control Enter, Charles Rocco, so you can see Bernie and Charles Marino down here. Okay, so that's we know what's going on here. And this red is left over from something else. But anyway, I'm going to hold down the Alt key and click inside the ballot area. Click, and you get this. It says click to add to Anno group. In other words, click any of these and it becomes part of the group that you're about to move. Okay, and then use the arrow keys to move them, and then click that badge to save them. So I'm just gonna move the bottom ones, 1, 2, and 3, and now I'm gonna use down arrow keys. Boom. And then I'm gonna save that. Boom. I'm gonna make another group by hitting Alt key, click. It's ready for a group. This and this. Bring them down. Alt. Oops. Yes, that's cool. Alt to make a group. Boink. Boink. I think I gotta add some sound effects on that one. Maybe they're already there. Click to save. Let me see if there's a sound effects option. Okay. What the hell was I doing? Oh, yeah, F1. Sorry about that. F1. There is some noise now. Okay, Alt, click, blink, blink, blink. Nothing there, huh? Okay. Good. Save it. Okay, a little bit of noise. Alt, click, click. Almost done. Save it. Bunk. So that's good enough for me. So what I'm going to do is hit F1 just for the heck of it. Then go next. Do I have a next? Oh, I gotta wait for my Windows sound. I guess that's why the sound is off. Oops. F1. Okay, well, let's shut these out now. Boing, 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 boing. That way, go this way. It looks good. It looks good. Okay, now we're in business. All right, so that's how you do it.